Good morning, children. In previous English grammar topic, we have completed and describing words. But here today, I am going to explain you in detail how we can add r, er, and more word to make comparison. Okay. So you can see here how we can add r and er to make comparison. Okay. First, we should add r, that is this flower is nicer than that flower. Okay, here we are going to compare this flower and that flower. So what I have written here, nicer, nicer. The spelling of nice is nice, and here I added only r, only r to make the comparison of describing words. Understood? Now next is er. Er. How to add er? The cat is, I would like to take describing word small. So what I can add there? Small. So I should add there er to make comparison. Okay, er. So the cat is smaller than the cat. Sorry, the dog. Okay, the cat is smaller than the dog. Understood? So whenever you want to make comparison between two objects, what you should do? First compare to whom you are going to compare, that you should write first. We want to compare this cat. Okay, with whom you want to compare? We want to compare that cat with the dog, so that you should write at last, and between that you should write then after that the object that with whom we have to compare. Okay, our object. Then what is the quality, what is the describing word? That is small. So we should add er or r according to that describing word. वहाँ जो fit बैठता है उस describing word में you should add that. Okay, in this way you can make sentence by comparison, by comparing two objects. Next, children, it is not that every time it is possible that r and er. Okay, in some cases, see, when the word ends with full, this full, how we can write that? For example, playful, then helpful. Then how you can make comparison of that? By adding er or helpful. For example, if I am writing here helpful. So what you can write to make their comparison? Full, helpful, er or r. What you should write? You can't write nothing, either either er or r. You can't write anything. Okay, you have to add more before that. For example, Lena is more helpful than Lena is more helpful than who? Nina. That means here to make comparison by taking this describing word, you have to add more before that word. Understood? And other things all remain same. Only when the describing word ends with full, you should write there r. For example, beautiful also. You can't say that beautiful, beautifuler. you have to add more before that beautiful word. My mother is more beautiful than her mother, or that any girl or any maybe. Okay. In the same way, this bag is heavier. If I would like to take this heavy, so how I can say that heavy? Heavier. I can't say that heavyer. What you have to do? You should, when the words end with y, you should remove that y, heavy. You should remove that y, plus their I and add er. So you have to add er, I-E-R. This bag is heavier than that box. That box. That means whenever the word ends with y, you should remove that y and write I instead of y and add er. Okay. This is about the word ends with y. And what about the word, describing word, that some words, see for example, this is bigger jar than that. This is bigger jar than that. Okay. What we add here, the G. See children, in case of the word, when the letter ends, before that there is vowel, we should add we should double the last letter. जो ये वाला जो लास्ट लेटर है उसके पहले अगर हमारे पास वॉवेल आता है, वॉवेल है A-E-I-O-U सपोज, देन यू शुड डबल दिस लास्ट लेटर. ये वाला लेटर जो आपको डबल करना होता है. इन दिस वे, इन बिगर. देन द नेक्स्ट इज this waiter, W-E-T double T-E-R. Waiter means गीला होना. And next is sadder also, sadder, S-A-D. So there is A, so double D-E-R. In this way you can compare these words. Understood? So in this more, you can also say more, na? This is more, na? More difficult also we can say. This is about all the rules. I explained you in detail how we can add R, ER, and how we can make double this letter, okay, while adding ER. And whenever the word ends with Y, we should add there ER. Instead of that Y, we should write I and then add ER in this. And the word ends, before that if there is vowel, you should double this last letter. Understood? In this way we can compare the describing words. Now last topic is, within very short time we can see this, that is about belongings. Okay, that is about belongings. Page number 35 I am going to explain. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. All these words shows you the belonging of anything to somebody. For example, my. For whom we can use my? For I, my. I can say that this is my pen. Okay, this is my pen. Then R. Who can say that R? Who can say that R? When the things are us, are, we or us, then are we can write. Then your. For you, you can say your. Okay. Then next is his. The singular masculine gender, that means he means boy or man. For example, a boy or a man, you can use that his. Okay, that means gender should be masculine and singular. It should be singular, masculine, gender. Then you can use that his and she. That means a girl or woman. For girl or woman, we can use she. Understood? And the condition remains same here also. It should be singular. Okay, that girl or that woman should be singular. The next is it's. For it, we can use its. Okay, that is a dog and it has that is its belt. That is its belt. Okay, if any doggy is having belt, we can say this is its belt. Okay, it has belt, or this is its belt, we can say. Then there, for they, we can say there. The condition is that here you are not present, and in we you are present. Including I, we can say we, and for we or us, we can say are. Okay, and with they, we can say their. This shows belonging. Okay, ये हमें बताता है कि ये चीज़ किसकी है. देयर है तो क्या होगा, उन लोगों की है. दे के साथ हम देयर यूज कर सकते हैं. सो ऑल दीज बिलोंगिंग वर्ड्स, when to use, with whom we use, this is given to you. Okay, so children, in notes I will send you this. Okay.